Hey there and welcome. If you're looking to create stunning, high-quality book covers for your self-publishing journey, whether for Amazon KDP or anywhere else, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know step-by-step how to design a beautiful, professional-looking book cover using Canva, even if you've never done anything like this before. Let's dive in together and get creative. First things first, let's open up Canva. If you don't already have an account, it's super quick to sign up, just an email and a password and you're in. Canva's an amazing tool for beginners and seasoned designers alike, so don't worry if this is all new to you. Once you're on Canva's homepage, look for the big, friendly Create a Design button. It's usually towards the top right corner. Click that and a search bar will appear. Now in the search bar, go ahead and type book cover. This is really important. Typing in book cover tells Canva to show you project templates that are sized specifically for book covers, which means you won't have to mess around with dimensions later on. It's one of those little time-saving tricks that helps make your cover look perfect without any extra fuss. When you hit enter, you'll see a whole range of book cover templates appear. Take your time here, scroll through and pick one that matches the vibe and genre of your book. For example, if you're publishing a romance novel, maybe go for something with soft colors and elegant fonts. If you're working on a thriller, you might choose bold imagery or dark backgrounds. Don't feel limited by what you see. These templates are just a starting point and you can change anything you like. Once you've selected a template, now comes my favorite part, designing your cover. Click on the elements you want to change, the title, the author's name, any images, and make them your own. You can upload your own photos or graphics, choose from Canva's library of free elements, or simply play around with fonts and colors. This is where you get to let your creativity shine. Imagine your book sitting on a shelf. What kind of cover would make someone want to pick it up? It's completely up to you how bold or simple you want your design to be. And don't worry if it doesn't look perfect right away. Sometimes it takes a few tweaks to get it just right, and that's part of the process. If you feel like adding extra details, maybe a catchy subtitle, a quote, or even a little graphic that hints at your story, go ahead. There's no right or wrong here, just what feels true to your vision. Canva gives you so much freedom, so play around and have fun. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to save it. Click the Share button in the top right and then select Download. Now here's an important step for the best quality. In the download options, choose PDF print as the file type. This ensures your cover will look crisp and sharp in print. Also, make sure you select CMYK as the color profile. This is the standard for print materials and will help your colors turn out just right when your book goes to press. This part can take a couple of moments, as high-quality files are a bit bigger, so hang tight while Canva prepares your file. And you're all set. You now have a high-quality book cover file ready to upload to Amazon KDP or wherever you're self-publishing. Of course, uploading on KDP has its own steps and quirks. That's a whole other tutorial, but now you've tackled one of the biggest pieces of the puzzle, creating an eye-catching cover. Thanks so much for following along. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, and if you have any questions or want more Canva tips, drop a comment below. I love helping out. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this. Happy publishing, and I'll see you next time.